Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. Now friends, we are going to the next important question for the upcoming May 2025 examination. It is a question on clean price and dirty price. Friends, in this question, they have used the word repo. So many people find this question difficult, not because the numbers are complicated. They find it difficult mainly because they don't understand what is a repo agreement or what is a reverse repo agreement. So friends, step number one, what I'm going to start off now is I'm going to start with explaining to you what is the meaning of this question, logic of this question, and then we will solve it also parallelly together. Are you all ready, friends? Shall we begin now? Okay, so let me just take a fresh page and let me read the first part. Bank A enters into a repo for 14 days with Bank B. So there are two banks over here. So they say bank A is entering into a repo means ideally what this means is that bank A is going to take a short-term loan from bank B for which the underlying security is going to be bonds. So ideally what they do is bank A will give the bonds to bank B first, and then when the loan is repaid, bank B will give the bonds back to whom? Will give the bonds back to bank A. So the security or the underlying asset based on which they are doing this entire transaction is nothing but it is a bond. Everybody clear with this part now, right? Now, at in 10% government of India bonds, so as I told you, what is the underlying security over here? 10% Government of India bond is the security over here at the rate of, so what is the interest rate that they have told over here? Interest rate is going to be 5.65 percentage. What is the face value of the bond that is told over here? Is the face value turning out to be 8 crore? They have also given another data which is called as the clean price. Now, what is the meaning of clean price? I will explain to you. It is actually nothing but it is the issue price, friends. So the clean price is 99.42. You have an initial margin. How much is the initial margin? They have told 2%. This means when bank B gives a loan, it will deduct how much percentage, friends? It will deduct 2%. Is everybody clear with this part now? All right. Of 2%, and the days of accrued interest is 262 days. So days of accrued interest is going to be how many days over here? It will be 262 days. Is everybody clear so far? Yes. So now what I will do is, this is the meaning. So now we'll go and try solving this problem. It's basically a short-term loan that is taken by bank A from whom? From bank B. So I'll just draw a table now. Time 0. Okay, time 0, you will have the T0 over here. They have told that the clean price is turning out to be how much? 99.42. So clean price is nothing but it is the issue price today. Now, he is going to take this loan after how many days, friends? After 262 days. I'll put it as 262. And he's going to take a loan for a total duration of how many days? 14 days. So 262 plus 14 would be 276th days when he's going to repay the loan. Okay. So now what happens is, in this question, they have given you a coupon rate over here. How much is the coupon rate that is told over here? 10%. So during this time, on 100 rupees face value, 10% of coupon will accrue for 262 days. 1 year they have told 360 days, hence I am also taking over here as only how many days? 360 days. So 100 into 10% into 262 divided by 360, when I do, you'll get the answer as 7.27. Alright. So here you have 99.42. Here you are having 7.27. So when you add up these two things, what is the total that you get over here? Do you get the answer as 106.7? That 106.7 is nothing but it is your issue cost along with the accrued coupon for 262 days. This is what we call it as the dirty price. I don't know why they have put this word dirty price, friends. You can call it anything else also, but the financial management market calls it as dirty price. So we will also stick to the same thing. We will also call it as what? We'll call it as a dirty price. Everybody clear with this part now? Fantastic. So I think we got the clean price. We have also got the dirty price. Now what we will do? We will go and check what is the face value of the bond. What is the actual face value that they have told over here? Is it turning out to be 800 lakhs? Correct? And I believe they have told that the clean price is 99.42, means per bond the price will be 100 rupees. Therefore, what will be the number of bonds that you get over here? Divided by 100. Sorry, 800 lakh divided by 100. You get 8 lakh bonds. Am I right? Now you are having 8 lakh bonds. For this 8 lakhs bond, the clean price was 99.62. But now what is the dirty price that I found out? That is the today's market price. Is it turning out to be 106.7? Correct? So therefore, what will be the total value of the bond that you get over here? 8 lakh into 106.7. Do you get the answer as 853.60 lakhs? Am I right? You get 853.60 lakhs. Everyone clear with this part? Fine. So once you get this answer, how much is the margin that they are planning to keep over here? 2% margin. That will be 17.07 lakh. This they will reduce, and the balance amount is what they are going to give as loan, to be given as loan. So 853.6 minus 17.07 will give you the answer as how much? 836.53 lakhs. Everybody clear with this part? On this, they will have to pay interest at the rate of how much percentage, friends? Have they told the interest rate as 5.65 percentage? Am I right? Yes. So what will happen is 836.53 lakhs into 5.65 percentage into 14 divided by 360, because they're going to take a loan only for how many days? 14 days. So this into 5.65, 836.53 into 5.65 percentage into 14 divided by 360. When you do, you will get the answer over here as how much? You will get the answer as 1.83 lakhs. All right. So once you get this, what will be your repayable amount, friends? Your repayable amount will be 836.53 plus 1.83. Do you get the answer as 838.36? This will be the amount that will be repaid. So let me just show you in the diagram again. 836.53 will be the amount taken today, and 838.36 will be the amount that will be paid after how many months? After not months, after 14 days. I hope everybody is clear with this part, and the interest amount is how much? 1.83. So this is how a repo agreement is entered between two banks. I hope this video is useful to all of you, friends. If this is useful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be posting more important videos, and I hope that will be useful for all of you. So study well. I am studying with you. Let's study together. Let's win together. Take care, friends.